Good morning, everyone. My present topic is all about comprehensive dangerous drugs acts of 2002. First, criminal liability of public officer. Life imprisonment to death and fine from 500,000 to 10 million for misappropriation, disapplication, or failure to allow for drug. So, criminal liability of public officer is any elected local or national official force shall be removed from office, shall be removed from the official head magsisila sa picking dangerous drugs. Criminal liability for planting evidence. Any person found guilty of planting dangerous drugs or chemical shall suffer the penalty of death. Criminal liability of government official and employees. Maximum penalties applied to transactional person to level of public office. So, ang taon din na kung saan kung sino sa government official dapat sa mag-commit ng trafficking, dangerous drugs, qualified sila sa ilang position. Criminal liability of corporate officers. Company officers who authorize or tolerate wrongdoing face the same penalty as principal offenders. So, parehas naman sila sa huli talaga principal. Then, ang officer mag-commit or one of trafficking dangerous drugs bayad siya from 500,000 or 10 million na penalty fines. Additional penalties for aliens. Deportation after serving sentence unless the penalty is dead. So, deportation means dibalik ka sa aliens or foreigner. Deportation dibalik ka sa country kung hindi penalty o penalty. Accessories penalty. So, civil rights, property, voting rights, property disposal rights. Mula sa mga accessories sa penalties, mga merchant rights, pagkukutan, or plus of civil rights. Voluntary submission and rehabilitation. Drug dependents can apply for rehabilitation instead of prosecution. Voluntary submission and rehabilitation, voluntary sila sa rehabilitation of kuha sila sa care center or DOH. Exemption from criminal liability. Those who complete and follow after a care program can be exempt from criminal charges. So, ang exemption kung apply ka rehabilitation, kung papalo niyo mo ang pagkapan sa care program, manasay mo sentence. Filing charges against non-rehabilitation drugs defendants. If a person can be authorized, he will be prosecuted and sentenced. So, diri, person ma-build siya kapilang build siya sa innocent rehab. So, hindi na siya saga sa opportunity ma-rehabilitation siya or ma-provide na niya sentence. So, ma-priso siya sa ma-priso siya ng penalty. Compulsory confinement for drug dependent. The court can order confinement and treatment if a person refuses voluntary rehab. So, muna sa conclusion ng summary niya, the law imposes strict penalties on drug-related crimes with provision for rehabilitation under specific conditions. Thank you.